Did you know that some of the most successful affiliate marketers have cracked the code to generating thousands, even millions, in revenue? Today, we're diving into real-world examples of successful affiliate marketing campaigns. Stick around to uncover their secrets and learn how you can apply these lessons to your own efforts. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to earn passive income online. By promoting products and earning a commission on sales, affiliates can build lucrative businesses. However, not all affiliate campaigns are created equal. Case studies, successful affiliate marketing campaigns. This is part 10 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In this video, we will explore case studies of successful affiliate marketing campaigns, analyze what worked, what didn't, and provide actionable insights you can implement in your own strategy. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, these examples will inspire and guide you. Many aspiring affiliate marketers face common challenges such as choosing the right products, reaching the target audience, and crafting effective marketing strategies. It's easy to get overwhelmed with the myriad of options and strategies available. However, by studying successful campaigns, we can identify patterns and best practices that lead to success. Let's dive into some case studies to see how top affiliates overcame these challenges and achieved outstanding results. Case Study 1. Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income. Background: Pat Flynn, the founder of Smart Passive Income, is a renowned figure in the affiliate marketing world. He started his journey in 2008 and has since built a multi-million-dollar business through affiliate marketing and other ventures. Strategy: Pat's success can be attributed to his authentic and transparent approach. He shares his income reports publicly, detailing how he earns his money. This transparency builds trust with his audience. Key tactics. 1. Content marketing. Pat creates high-quality, valuable content, including blog posts, podcasts, and videos that provide actionable advice. 2. Product reviews and tutorials. He focuses on in-depth reviews and tutorials for products he genuinely uses and believes in. 3. Email marketing. Pat uses email marketing to nurture his audience and promote affiliate products effectively. Results: Pat Flynn's honest and educational approach has resulted in a loyal following and substantial affiliate income. His monthly income reports often show earnings in the tens of thousands from affiliate marketing alone. Takeaway: building trust with your audience through transparency and providing valuable content can significantly boost your affiliate marketing success. Case Study 2. Michelle Schroeder Gardner's Making Sense of Sense. Background: Michelle Schroeder Gardner, the creator of Making Sense of Sense, started her blog to document her journey of paying off student loans. Over time, she turned it into a successful business, earning over $100,000 per month, primarily through affiliate marketing. Strategy: Michelle's strategy focuses on promoting products and services that align with her personal finance niche and resonate with her audience. Key tactics. 1. Personal stories. Michelle shares her personal experiences with the products she promotes, making her recommendations relatable and trustworthy. 2. SEO optimization. She optimizes her content for search engines to attract organic traffic. 3. Affiliate courses. Michelle created a course, Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing, which teaches others how to succeed in affiliate marketing, further establishing her authority in the niche. Results: Michelle's relatable content and strategic SEO have led to a massive audience and significant affiliate earnings. Her blog attracts over 300,000 visitors per month. Takeaway: sharing personal experiences and optimizing your content for SEO can drive substantial traffic and affiliate sales. Case Study 3. The Wirecutter. Background: The Wirecutter, a product review website, was founded by Brian Lamb in 2011. It became known for its detailed and well-researched product reviews. Strategy: The Wirecutter's strategy revolves around thorough research and testing, providing readers with reliable and comprehensive product recommendations. Key tactics. 1. In-depth reviews. The Wirecutter invests significant time and resources into testing products to provide detailed reviews. 2. Comparison articles. They create comparison articles that help readers choose the best product in a specific category. 3. Seasonal guides. The website publishes seasonal buying guides that attract high traffic during peak shopping times. Results: the Wirecutter's emphasis on quality and reliability led to rapid growth. In 2016, it was acquired by the New York Times for over $30 million. Takeaway: investing in thorough research and providing high-quality content can establish your authority and drive substantial affiliate revenue. Case Study 4. John Lee Dumas, Entrepreneurs on Fire. Background: John Lee Dumas, the host of the Entrepreneurs on Fire podcast, interviews successful entrepreneurs and shares their stories. He monetizes his podcast through various means, including affiliate marketing. Strategy: John's strategy focuses on leveraging his podcast platform to promote affiliate products and services that are relevant to his entrepreneurial audience. Key tactics: 1. Podcast sponsorships. John integrates affiliate promotions into his podcast episodes, reaching a dedicated audience. 2. Webinars and courses. He hosts webinars and offers courses that include affiliate promotions. 3. Email sequences. John uses automated email sequences to nurture leads and promote affiliate offers. Results: John Lee Dumas podcast has generated millions of dollars in revenue. His transparent income reports show significant earnings from affiliate marketing. Takeaway: leveraging various platforms, such as podcasts and webinars, can diversify your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your reach. Case Study 5. Authority Hacker. Background: Authority Hacker, founded by Gail Breton and Mark Webster, is a website that provides resources and training for building and growing authority sites. Strategy: their strategy involves creating in-depth guides and resources that help readers build successful online businesses, while promoting affiliate products and services that align with their teachings. Key tactics: 1. Long-form content. Authority Hacker publishes comprehensive, long-form content that provides immense value to readers. 2. Webinars and courses. They offer webinars and courses that teach advanced strategies, often including affiliate promotions. 3. Community building. Gail and Mark focus on building a strong community through their Facebook group and other channels. Results: Authority Hacker's in-depth content and strong community engagement have led to a thriving business with substantial affiliate income. Takeaway: providing comprehensive, high-value content and building a strong community can lead to long-term affiliate marketing success. Let's highlight the key lessons from these case studies. Successful affiliate marketers often share several traits. They provide valuable and trustworthy content, build strong relationships with their audience, and continuously optimize their strategies. Whether it's through transparency, personal stories, in-depth research, leveraging various platforms, or community building, these marketers have found ways to connect with their audience and promote products effectively. To recap, studying successful affiliate marketing campaigns can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your own efforts. By understanding the strategies and tactics that worked for others, you can apply these lessons to your own campaigns and increase your chances of success. Remember to focus on building trust with your audience, providing valuable content, and continuously optimizing your strategies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and case studies on affiliate marketing. Share your own experiences and any questions you have in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can all learn and succeed together. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!